What are you doing? Okay, flush the toilet. Let me see you flush. And push it down. Why are you flushing it with your foot? That's because that's what Mommy does when I'm at a restaurant. Okay, flush it. Oh God. Whoa. Oh my God, you're funny. Here, just push it with your hands instead. There, push it hard. There you go. Okay, good job. Let's wash your hands. Wash your hands. Good job. Put it up. Do you need help? Okay.